Hello, my name is Turk. I'm the Integrated Quality Management System Auditor at Starlim North America. My role strategically involves ensuring that our quality processes, policies, and the organization itself meets the highest quality standards. This includes development and implementing quality management system processes, policies, work instructions, and conducting audits and inspections, and analyzing data to identify areas of improvement and work on those areas of improvement to improve the overall quality management systems, efficiency, quality of product, and customer satisfaction. I love the dynamic nature of my work. Every day brings new challenges and opportunities. I take great pride and satisfaction in knowing that my efforts contribute directly to the success of the company and the overall improvement of our systems. There is always a new opportunity for me to learn new ideas and way of adaptation for better quality management systems and quality. I believe that my attention to details, analytical thinking, and problem-solving skills are crucial for the success of my role. Additionally, my effective communication skills and working well with others contribute to the success of my roles and distribute effort to improve the quality management systems with other functions and departments.